Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So this is Pramod and this is another Core 2 practice test series, and this part is also very helpful to pass the Core 2 exam. So let's go to the questions, and this is the question number 1. A customer's PC is performing slowly and displaying unexpected pop-up messages. So which of the following should a technician use to troubleshoot this issue? First option is anti-malware, second option is recovery console, third option is system configuration, and the last option is disk cleanup. And the correct answer for this question is A, anti-malware. So let's check the explanation. And the explanation is unexpected pop-ups and slow performance are often sign of malware infection. So using an anti-malware program to scan and remove malicious software is the most likely solution to address both issues simultaneously. So that's why the correct answer is A, anti-malware. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a systems administrator needs to access a hypervisor that went offline. So after doing a port scan, the administrator notices that company policy is blocking the RDP default port. So which of the following ports should the administrator use to access the machine? First option is 22, next option is 23, third option is 80, and the last option is 3090. And the correct answer for this question is last option D, 3090. So let's check the explanation. So the administrator should use 3090 to access the machine because the alternative IDP port, some hypervisors allow administrators to configure a custom RDP port often set to 3090 as an alternative to the standard 3389. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a technician is configuring security for a computer that is located in a common area. A sign above the computer indicates only authorized users can use the computer. So guests visiting the office must walk past the computer to enter and leave the office. So which of the following will offer the best protection against physical threats? First option is using screen lock. Next option is installing a privacy screen. Third option is implementing password complexity. Last option is locking the computer case, and the last option is enabling drive encryption. And the correct answer for this question is option D, locking the computer case. So let's check the explanations. So this physically secures the computer, making it much more difficult for someone to steal the computer or open the case to access internal components like the hard drive. So many computers, especially laptops, have dedicated slots for cable locks, Kingston locks. For desktop computers, chassis locks can be used. That's why the correct answer is D, locking the computer case. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a technician is reusing several hard drives to increase local storage on a company workstations. The drives contains PI that is no longer needed. So which of the following should the technician do to prevent unauthorized access of the data? First option is degauss the drive, next option is drill through the drives, third option is wipe the drives, and last option is the reimage the drives. And the correct answer for this question is option C, wipe the drives. So explanation is, the technician should wipe the drives to prevent unauthorized access of the data. Wiping a drive involves using specialized software to overwrite the existing data with random or predefined patterns, effectively destroying the original data and making it extremely difficult to recover. So this is considered the most secure method for data destructions when using the hard drives that previously contained sensitive information like PI. So that's why the correct answer is C, wipe the drives. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, user access files in the department share. When a user creates a new subfolder, only that user can access the folder and its files. So which of the following will most likely allow users to access the new folders? Option A is elevating quota limitations. Next option is enabling inheritance. Third option is requiring multi-factor authentications. And last option is removing archive attribute. And the correct answer is option B, enabling inheritance. So let's check the explanation. The problem describes the situation where users in a department share can create subfolders, but only the creator can access those new subfolders and the files within them. The goal is to allow all users in the department to access these new folders. Therefore, enabling inheritance is the most likely solution to ensure all users can access newly created folders within the department share. That's why the correct answer is B, enabling inheritance. So let's move to the next question. And the next question is, the following error is displayed on a user's computer screen. No operating system found. So which of the following is the first troubleshooting step a technician should complete? First option is disconnect external storage. Option B is a flash the BIOS. Option C is a replace the SATA cable. Option D is a turn on the device in safe mode. And the correct answer for this question is option A, disconnect external storage. And explanation is, the first troubleshooting step for the no operating system found error is to disconnect external storage. The reasoning, external storage device like USB drives, external hard drives can sometimes be set to boot first in the BIOS settings. If the computer is attempting to boot from the external device instead of the internal hard drive where the operating system is installed, it will display the no operating system found error. That's why the correct option is A, disconnect external storage. So let's move to the next question. The next question is, an MDM report shows that a user's company cell phone has unauthorized applications installed. The device has recently checked into the MDM server and the company still has access to remote wipe the device. So which of the following describes the action the users has performed? First option is obtained root access. Next option is upgraded the OS. Next option is installed a VPN. And the last option is uninstalled the MDM software. And the correct answer for this question is option A, obtained root access. And the explanation is, the root access, this is a level of administrative access that allows the user to control the most sensitive aspects of an operating system, including installing unauthorized applications. Since MDM report detecting unauthorized apps, gaining root access would explain this violation. That's why the correct answer is A, obtaining root access. So let's move to the next question. So which of the following languages would a technician most likely use to automate the setup of various services on multiple systems? Option A is SQL, option B is HTML, option C is a PowerShell, and option D is a C#. And the correct answer for this question is option C, PowerShell. So let's check the explanations. So PowerShell is a command line shell and scripting language developed by Microsoft specifically for a system administration and automation tasks. It is designed to manage Windows environments and can be used to automate the configuration and deployment of services across multiple systems efficiently. That's why the correct answer is C, PowerShell. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a technician is assisting a customer who is having difficulty accessing the company's website. So which of the following should the technician do first? First option is ask the customer for their login credentials. Option B is a check the company's internal knowledge base of solutions. Option C is a refer the customer to more experienced technician. And the last option is record the details of the issue in the company's ticketing system. And the correct answer for this question is option D, record the details of the issue in the company's ticketing system. So explanation is, the first thing a technician should do when assisting a customer with a difficulty accessing the company's website is to record the details of the issue in the company's ticketing system. Documenting the issue in the ticketing system is a fundamental first step aligned with the core principles of effective technical support and issues management. That's why the correct answer is D, record the details of the issue in the company's ticketing system. So let's move to the next question. Next question is, a technician is installing a new Soho wireless router and wants to ensure it is secure and uses the latest network features. So which of the following should the technician do first? First option is A, disable the unused ports. Option B, enable DHCP reservation. Option C, update the firmware. Option D, disable the guest account. And the correct answer for this question is option C, update the firmware. So let's check the explanation. So updating the firmware, this is the crucial as it often includes security patches, bug fixes, and new features that can significantly improve the router security and performance. That's why the correct answer is C, update the firmware. So I hope you're enjoying this video. So this part has been completed. Study hard, good luck, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel to see more video like this. I will upload next part shortly. Thanks for watching. Thank you.